Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Michelle. I make videos on health, wellness, and fitness. Please subscribe and like my channel. It is so greatly appreciated. So basically, I just want to start off by saying I grew up in Canada, which is like processed food central. North America, I believe, is by far the worst in terms of processed food. So sugar and salt and hidden ingredients are in absolutely everything that you buy in a box or can or processed. Things are becoming better now. There are more health food stores, there are more organic brands, there are more things with less ingredients, but you need to be cautious. So for me, I really and truly believe sugar is so addictive, and anything that's addictive I don't think is good for you. So what I like to do is keep good wholesome ingredients in my house. Pretty much at all times I have these ingredients so that when I'm having a sugar craving I can gravitate towards this. So I forgot one ingredient because I actually generally don't add this, but today I'm feeling hungry, so I'm going to add this. Okay, so I've already had my breakfast this morning. I did a workout this morning, a 40-minute workout, and then I came home and I ate breakfast. I generally do my workouts fasted, so I don't eat anything other than a cup of tea or water before I go to the gym in the morning. I eat after the gym. So I had a little breakfast. Generally that's okay. Today, for some reason, I'm starving and I'm craving something sweet. Yeah, of course. So I'm going to make my go-to recipe when I'm craving something sweet. So it's delicious, it's healthy, it's full of nutrients, it's amazing. So let's just go ahead and start, and we're gonna make this. So I'm gonna be using my NutriBullet. I pretty much use that for everything I make. I'm adding one whole banana. This banana is probably overripe. It was in my fridge because it was going dark. So just a tip here, if your bananas are darkening and you're not using them, throw them in the fridge. The skin will go dark, but it'll stop the ripening process, so you can make your bananas last longer. If you don't want to do that, you can also slice them up and just put them in a bag or a Tupperware and leave them in the freezer, and they're actually, this recipe would probably be better with frozen bananas. I just don't have any right now. I'm using organic creamy peanut butter. You can use chunky peanut butter, doesn't matter. The ingredients in this are organic dry roasted peanuts and sea salt. So it has 2 ingredients in it. 1 tablespoon, let's say 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Then I'm going to put some cacao powder with it. The ingredients in this one is organic cacao processed with alkali, whatever that means. I would say about a teaspoon of cacao powder. I've got some oat milk here. The ingredients in this oat milk are water, oats, and sea salt. So again, very few ingredients. I love this oat milk brand. This is my favorite. There's another one that I use as well, but it just has more ingredients. This one is the one that I found that has the least ingredients. So the Oatly, the original. There's lots of Oatly ones as well that don't have 3 ingredients. This one specifically with the brown packaging is the 3 ingredients. It's original, organic oat milk, and it just has, like I said, water, oats, and sea salt. So best one that I've found so far. I'm then going to be using some organic fresh dates. So you can put, I generally just put 1 because I find it sweet enough. Like with the peanut butter and the cacao powder, you just need 1 date. So I just unpitted the date, tossed that date in there. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some chia flax and hemp seeds. I don't add this every time, but like I said, I feel like I need some omegas in my diet, so we're just going to go ahead and add that in. I'm just going to add some whole grain quick oats into this as well because it's just going to make me a little bit more full. Some oats. Product. I actually made the perfect amount. Like, this turned out so great. We're gonna do just a little taste test here. I'm sure maybe you saw in the video as well, like the chunks of dates came out here, so they didn't even really blend into my smoothie. Yeah, blend it probably a little bit longer. I'm just impatient. Let's try it. So it's creamy, chocolatey, peanut buttery, banana-y, sweet. And you get to have something that satisfies that craving of sweet, and it's healthy and guilt-free. If you're looking for products with few food ingredients, I can link the ones I've used down below as well, and I'll also link my NutriBullet for you guys as well, as it's a great blender. Thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's so greatly appreciated.